Hi everyone, welcome to Drive and Fail June. Now, let's have a little look up into the distance at this Range Rover that's crossing my path. And also have a look at the signs that are in that road. Yep, no entry.
Way straight, doesn't matter, no.
That's it. Is that car going to nip through the roadworks? Can't he wait?
No way is he going through there.
Of course he's going through there.
What?
Change your mind?
What's he doing? He can't get through anyway though. No, he's give up.
Do you think that was just a case of just being too close to the lorry and can't see anything? Absolutely.
How's he trying to get through though? Because he's trying to turn left.
Yeah, I don't think they can see that, and they think that there was a little route through. They just couldn't see because they're stuck right up behind the lorry. Anyway,
Good idea. I'll be doing the same thing. I think these lights could change. See whether we were right or whether we were wrong. Oh, it might be wrong because look what it's just come on, the green men and bikes. So it's allowing people to cross. So handbrake on. But because it's just gone onto a red man and bike, you know, it stopped them. We could be any second.
Wow.
That's honestly ridiculous. So not the crossing, obviously, unless you want to go into the railings.
Good, thanks. Maybe some other day.
Yeah, someone else's car. And yeah, main lights at the top, turn right.
Okay.
Can you leave room for this one? If there's no one coming the other way. There you go. I would do that there. Good. Because they've been waiting there for a while.
Yeah.
We weren't ever going to go that far.
Yep.
You're able to do it in a slow, early time.
Oh God. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nicely saw.
Look at how far it's got you.
Yeah.
Hi. I'm right behind you.
Wouldn't mind, but you were taking up a fab position in the correct place in the road as well.
the need from others to overtake the learner car never ends. On this clip, watch the black Citroen that overtakes from well behind the red van at the back of us.
Did well.
The number of collisions that happen at this crossroads is big, so I'm always on the watch out for people doing anything. And it just shows, driving at the correct speed, you can generally deal with everything. One of my lads is training to be an instructor, and we were doing some part 2 training when we encountered these two.
And then immediately right. Where do you go? Learner.
I don't even want to turn around. I gotta go past them here. And the door open and everything. Nice shot look at me as well.
Are they trying to teach them without L plates and have just absolutely put it on the
Coming
hill?
down here. It's a dangerous place to overtake.
Can you see what she did there?
she sort of like, no, she was like saying, can you go past now? See what I mean? She's hit this. Okay.
Wait there, just stop. Go alongside of it.
Are you okay, my love? Do you want a hand?
No, we'll be alright.
You sure?
Yeah, she's been driving it. I'm not sure what she's done.
It's alright.
Thank you.
No worries.
Right,
Go left, mate.
I've not driven this car before. Thank you.
Alright.
If you know you're going to turn right up ahead, don't force past and overtake.
Well done. How are we going to accelerate? Let's get going. Let's get second. Relaxed. Now, I need you to keep up with that one. Now not. This one's going past. You've got to be aware of your surroundings. Don't steer out, no. This one's turning. Back off your gas. Use your brake a little bit. Use your brake and come through the space on the left. Off the brake. Okay. But people will force past because it's a learner car. But do you understand that you've got to be aware of your surroundings and change your acceleration more?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. I've listened to that engine, mate.
It's amazing how many times I talk about things with the student and then it happens.
What's the space like? Don't just steer left. Is the space okay?
Yeah.
Well done. Is there any issues with the blue one?
No. Oh, yeah.
Any issues now?
No.
So you could have dealt with all of that without braking if
Yeah.
you'd have just realised that potential for hazard and just reduced a bit.
Yeah.
You can do more by reducing your gas pressure rather than continuing and just steering and just hoping. Off.
Oh, fuck.
Carry on.
Jesus Christ.
Did well.
Have a look at the one-way street on the right. We usually see this happen from when I'm waiting to come out left from the junction on our right side. Look at the red car behind.
Happens all the time. So then this, imagine if they see it comes out, and it happens to me all the time. It's unbelievable, this junction.
I'm sorry to do this, but watch the fella behind.
I couldn't just get like a scooter to start off with, but I would absolutely don't.
No, you're right. That skanky fella behind has just picked his nose and eaten it.
Oh, is he eaten as well?
What a skank. Oh, that's wrong. So slowly away.